Time is ticking 시간은 참 빠르지 소리 소문 없이 사라져버린 나의 아침같이 그냥 흘러가게 두자 많이 웃었으니까 전화 돌려 모이자 매일 모이던 놀이터 Let's go pick me tonight 매일 모이던 그 놀이터 Let's go pick me tonight 우리가 묻어있는 곳
Hi, this is Sseoni. Actually, this is my first time ever doing a voiceover, and I'd like to express how happy I am right now because this video took me a lot of time. From designing, creating a creative space for myself, I had so much fun editing and creating this content, so I hope you do so as well. So, cheers to 2021.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day, it is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back all the way back big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, kidnap me. Have me running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Have me running around, dressed in a gown, barefoot.